I'm sure that at some time or other this has happened to you, where you could be sitting down, reading or relaxing, and suddenly a friend, an old workmate perhaps, a distant relative comes to mind, someone whom you haven't spoken to for years. Lo and behold, within 1 or 2 days, you get a phone call or a card from that person. And you think to yourself, what a strange coincidence. The question I ask you is, was that coincidence? Or was the person thinking of you at the time so intently that you picked up his thoughts? I'd like to try an experiment that I call coincidence along these lines. Ian, here's a blue back deck of cards, which I'm not going to touch. As you know, a deck consists of 52 cards. Please name a number between 1 and 52.
Any number.
Any number.
20.
20. Would you like to change your mind?
No, I'm happy with that.
You're happy with that, fine. I have another deck of cards here. A red back deck this time. I'm going to count down, one at a time, to your selected number. Face up. As you can see, every card is different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Had you selected 21, for instance, it would have been the 5 of hearts. Had you selected the next one, the 9 of clubs, the 2 of diamonds, the king of hearts, the king of clubs, and so on and so forth. But you selected that card, which at this stage nobody knows what it is. I'd like to try an experiment, a long distance telepathy. Please take your cell phone and ring that number. Ask for Catherine and ask her in your own words to name the face down card on the table.
All right. Hello, Catherine.
Hello.
It's Ian, Catherine.
Yes.
Would you be able to name the card that we have here?
Would that be a black card? Possibly the 8 of clubs?
The 8 of clubs it is.
It is. Thanks, Catherine.
Thank you.
Now, Ian, let's take this a step further. Before we began, I gave you a blue deck. Would you be good enough to remove the cards from the deck and take out the 4 8s?
The 4 8s.
Yes. Face up, yes. One at a time. Place them on the table. The 8 of hearts, the 8 of spades, the 8 of diamonds.
Missed one.
And the 8 of clubs is missing. What a coincidence. Do you know why?
I'm
Because
guessing
that's
that
the card that I selected before we began the experiment. The missing blue 8 of clubs.
Amazing.
And that's what I call